to week 8 of our course. Our topic this week is reading comprehension, and we'll be looking specifically at the reader factors and how reading matters to our readers. First task this week will be for our weekly literature sharing, and you're going to watch a video of the story The Scarecrow's Hat by Ken Brown. Listen to the story and brainstorm how you will use the book. Make sure to concentrate on comprehension this week. Drop your literature sharing in our weekly Dropbox. After you've done your own brainstorm, check with My Literature Ideas by clicking here. You can link to my sharing, and also we have links to the story's props for retelling, book resources, detailed lesson plans for emergent literacy activities, and reading and writing ideas to integrate the book. Read our weekly message and visit the next slide for directions for our introduction game of the week. Also, pay attention to our discussion question for the week and make sure you're answering it specifically in your thread. This is the introduction game. What you're going to do for this game is you are going to click on the spinner to spin it. Whatever number you land on, you'll look in the orange box and answer that question on Padlet. And here's the link for our Padlet board for the day. This is a definition for you and some more information to check out. Then click on our speaker to hear about scaffolding. More information. This chart has a lot of information on identifying what is and is not explicit instruction. Click on the speaker to hear more information, and click on the speaker to learn the timeline of our learners' comprehension skills. The next thing is called an exclusion brainstorm, and this is where we give boys and girls a list of vocabulary words, and you have to figure out what does not belong. So take a minute and read through those, and then click here to go to our Padlet board and put your answer to see what is not comprehension. When you're finished, go to the next slide to see your answers. Then we've broken down the components of comprehension into before, during, and after reading strategies. For each strategy, there is a description, and then there is a video showing that skill in a classroom with real students. Click on the speaker to hear more about your before strategies. The same thing for our during reading strategies, and then our after reading strategies. Please make sure that you listen at the speaker and you also watch the video clips. We have some more information. Then we're going to look at mini lessons because a lot of comprehension takes place during mini lessons, and so I want you to click where it says here to print out the activity and follow the directions on that page. Then you can check your answers by watching the video over here, and this will give you information on many different kinds of activities to do with your students. So you're going to do a sort, watch the answers, and then at the end of this activity, if you still have questions about specific strategies, each of these links corresponds with what's beside it, and it will give you more information about each of those strategies. This will also be helpful when you plan your instructional activity for your lesson plan this week. Please click the speaker button and watch the 3 videos that could be used in a mini lesson. And this is a quick video intro. Click here to watch the video intro, then open each of the 5 links and explore them, and then share something you found valuable with the links here. It'll take you to a Padlet board. Then our lesson plan project is up right here, and for the lesson plan project you are going to be choosing one instructional strategy from the vocabulary or comprehension skill area. So last week we chose one from the early literacy and emergent literacy tab. This time you're going to pick one activity from the comprehension or vocabulary tab. That's what you'll use to prepare lesson plan number 2. There's your weekly assignment. If you're online only, you have 3 participation activities within our presentation, and you have 2 things to Dropbox. Okay, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.